Let me ask you a question. If your food has a mascot, if it comes in neon colors, if it survives a nuclear winter, it's probably not food, I hate to tell you. Let's talk about the second pillar. Eat real food. Now, if you're done letting food companies hijack your plate, hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment with your go-to real food. Maybe it's avocado, maybe it's steak, maybe it's the apple your grandma used to grow. Either way, share it and inspire someone else to ditch the fake stuff. I'd be very appreciative of that. Now, let's start here. Eating food isn't some fad. It's going back to what your body actually understands. You want energy, clarity, weight loss without losing your absolute freaking mind. It starts with what's on your fork. Here's a rule that I try to live by. If it didn't grow, graze, or swim, rethink it. If it needs a commercial to convince you it's healthy, if it doesn't rot within a few days, if it comes with its own toy, it's not food. I guarantee you it's a science project. Let me give you a real world analogy to this. Imagine you have a Ferrari and you go to the gas station and you put in unleaded gas in your Ferrari. Then you top it off with glitter glue and Red Bull. Would you expect it to run and perform like a high-performance sports car? Of course not. But that's what we do to our bodies every time we eat food-like substances. Your body isn't craving calories, it's begging for nutrients. So some quick tips to start eating real. When you're at the grocery store, shop the perimeter of the grocery store. Try to stay out of the inside aisles. Read ingredients, please, every single thing before you put it in your shopping cart. If you can't pronounce it, skip it. If it has more than a few ingredients in the list, skip it. Try to eat food that had a face at one time or food that came from the earth. Challenge yourself. Try 1 day a week with 0 barcodes. It's not as easy as you think, but it will be greatly beneficial to you. So how do we wrap this up? Look, eating real won't make you perfect, but it will make you powerful. It'll sharpen your brain, it'll strengthen your gut, it'll fuel your mission. And when you eat real food, you get real results. That's just the bottom line here. Now, next up, we're going to talk about moving daily. Not necessarily a workout, not a boot camp, just a rebel reminder that your body was built to move. Until next time, as always, live loud, eat real, and rebel on.